हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम तनिषा गंगराड़े एंड यू आर वाचिंग टीजी एग्री। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग BHU MSc AG 2019 के पेपर को डिस्कस करेंगे। इससे पहले हमने ICAR JRF 2018 एंड 2019 के पेपर को डिस्कस किया था, जिसकी लिंक आपको हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगी, या आप ऊपर दी गई आई बटन को क्लिक करके सभी प्रीवियस पेपर्स को देख सकते हैं। आप हमारी वेबसाइट पर जाकर यह पेपर को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। आपको हमारी वेबसाइट पर एग्रीकल्चर सब्जेक्ट का सिलेबस, सभी एग्रीकल्चर एग्जाम्स के प्रीवियस पेपर्स और पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक के हैंड रिटन नोट्स भी मिलेंगे। साथ ही आपको ICAR JRF, ARS, SRF एंड अदर एग्जाम्स का पैटर्न और उसका सिलेबस भी मिलेगा। आपको हमारी वेबसाइट की लिंक हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगी। साथ ही में आप हमें इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक पेज पर भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं और टेलीग्राम चैनल पर आप हमें ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, जिसकी लिंक आपको हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगी। अगर आपकी कोई क्वेरी, सजेशंस या फीडबैक हो तो आप हमें हमारे सभी सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म पर शेयर कर सकते हैं। और आपने अगर अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो तो नीचे दिए गए रेड बटन को क्लिक कर आप हमें सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। साथ ही में बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Our first question is, conflicting information should be strictly avoided during, and its answer is option number 1, that is confirmation stage. Question number 2, acceptance and or rejection of technology are one kind of, and its answer is option number 3, that is feedback. Question number 3, faithful pragmatic performance of all element of communication process refers to, and its answer is option number 2, fidelity. According to Bourdieu, fidelity is the faithful performance of a communication process by all its elements. It includes communicator, message, receiver. Question number 4, feedback is, and its answer is option number 1, that is source oriented. According to Bourdieu, if a communication source decodes the message that the encodes, if the message is put back to his system, we have feedback. Question number 5. Many times it may happen that end users continue to adopt an innovation rather vigorously. When experts feel that it should not be so done, the phenomenon is known as, and it's known as over adoption. Answer is option number 1, that is over adoption. Over-adoption produces negative effects and may cause distortion or deterioration of the related system. Insufficient knowledge about an innovation and an inability to predict its consequences generally leads to over-adoption. Question number 6. Which one is not the key behavioral characteristics of entrepreneurs? And its answer is option number 4, that is dependency on peers for input. Question number 7. The capital that include staff, partner skill, knowledge and experience. And its answer is option number 3, that is human capital. The skills, knowledge and experience possessed by an individual or population viewed in terms of their value or cost to an organization or country is known as human capital. Question number 8. Grapevine is a kind of dash communication. Grapevine is a kind of informal communication. Answer is option number 4. Grapevine is an informal channel of business communication. It is called so because it stretches throughout the organization in all directions irrespective of authority levels. Now move to question number 9. All societies have acceptable and unacceptable form of behavior. It is called, and its answer is option number 1, that is social norms. Social norms are unwritten rules about how to behave. They provide us with an expected idea of how to behave in a particular social group or cultures. The type of social groups are folkways, mores, law and taboos. Question number 10. Farmer societies are, and its answer is option number 1, that is formal group. Question number 11. Rabindranath Tagore was of one of the firm belief that if we develop dash it is going to be the panacea for the rural problem? And its answer is option number 1, village leadership. Rabindranath Tagore was of the firm belief that if we develop village leadership, it is going to be panacea for rural problems. Question number 12. Kol Shitol established an extension service initiative entitled Dash at Pohari, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh with the object of increasing per capita income of villagers. And its answer is option number 3, that is Adarsh Seva Sangh. ठीक है, Adarsh Seva Sangh was put into operation in 232 villages falling under the Jagirdari of Kol Shitol. It aimed at increasing per capita income of villages. Question number 13. The origin of soil, its classification and description are studied in, and its answer is option number 1, that is pedology. देखिए ये क्वेश्चन हमने ICAR JRF 2018 या फिर 2019 के पेपर में भी हमने इसे डिस्कस किया था. आप आई बटन को क्लिक करके इस वीडियो को इस पेपर के वीडियो को देख सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Which of the following is a secondary mineral? There are two types of minerals, primary minerals and secondary minerals. Primary minerals are substances that form from primary igneous rock. Secondary minerals are substances that form from alternation of primary minerals, and its example is sedimentary rock. Primary minerals examples quartz, granite. Secondary minerals are clay, gypsum. Now, which of the following is a secondary mineral? And here answer is gypsum, because quartz and granite are primary minerals. Clay and gypsum are secondary minerals. Question number 15. Which of the following is a micronutrient? Total, there are 17 essential nutrients, in which 9 macronutrients and 8 are micronutrients. Macronutrients include carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, sulfur and magnesium. Micronutrient includes iron, manganese, copper, zinc, molybdenum, boron, chlorine and nickel. Here question is asked, which of the following is a micronutrient? And we have discussed right now that zinc is a micronutrient, whereas all three are macronutrient. Question number 16. Total number of orders in soil taxonomy is, and its answer is option number 1, that is 12. There are total 12 soil orders. They are jelly soils, histosols, spodosols, andisols, oxysols, vertisols, eridisols, ultisols, mollisols, alphisols, inceptisols and entisols. Now its answer is option number 1, that is 12. Question number 17. Relative proportion of sand, silt and clay in soil is called. When we are talking about relative proportion of sand, silt and clay in soil, then it is called soil texture. Okay, then when we talk about arrangement of primary particles and their aggregates into certain definite patterns, then its answer is soil structure. Here soil texture is relative proportion of sand, silt and clay, and soil structure can be defined as arrangement of primary particles. Now move to question number 18. Soil color is measured by, and its answer is option number 1, that is Munsell soil color chart. In the Munsell soil color system, color is expressed in terms of hue, value and chroma. Color is expressed in 3 terms: hue, value and chroma. Hue is basic color, value is lightness or darkness, chroma is intensity of basic hue. Question number 19. Which of the following is 1:1 type of clay minerals? clay minerals on the basis of layer silicates is divided into three types: 1:1, 2:1, and 2:1:1. Three types on the basis of layered silicates. 1:1, kaolinite, halloysite, smectite and mica comes under 1:1. Vermiculite, illite comes under 2:1. Chlorite comes under 2:1:1. Here question is asked 1:1 type of clay mineral, and its answer is kaolinite. Vermiculite comes under 2:1 and illite is also comes under 2:1. Now move to question number 20. Mycorrhiza is a, and its answer is option number 2, that is mycorrhiza is a fungi. Mycorrhiza is a symbiotic association between green plants and fungus. Mycorrhiza increase the surface area associates with the plant root. It also uptake phosphorus and nitrogen. Question number 21. Which of the following is an active soil forming factors? There are two types of factors: active soil forming factors and passive soil forming factors. Active soil forming factors are those which supply energy that act on the mass for purpose of soil formation. These factors are climate and vegetation. The other three, parent material, topography and time, these are passive soil forming factors. Here question is asked, that is what is active soil forming factor, and its answer is climate. And if here vegetation is also given, then answer is climate and vegetation. Climate and vegetation is active soil forming factor, whereas parent material, topography and time are passive soil forming factors. Question number 22. Which of the following soil is called white soil? Saline soil is white alkali soil. Okay, saline soil which is white alkali soil, and sodic soil is black alkali soil. Remember this: saline soil is white alkali soil, sodic soil is black alkali soil. Here question is asked that which is white alkali soil, and its answer is option number 1, that is saline soil. Question number 23. Physical condition of soil in relation to plant growth is called, and its answer is option number 4, that is tilth. Question number 24. Gypsum is used an amendment to reclaim sodic soil. Option number 1. Question number 25. The term issue price means. The issue price is the price at which shares are offered for sale when they first become available to public. Now according to option, its answer is option number 1. The price at which buffer stock is given to public. Question number 26. The loans granted by the government during British rule were called. These loans are called Takavi loans. Agriculture credit from the government is called Takavi. The government gives Takavi loan to the farmers, which are disbursed at the time of distress, famine, flood, etc. Question number 27. Which of the following is the first R of credit? 3 R of credit analysis are: first is return from investment, second repayment capacity, third is risk bearing ability. Here question is asked first R of credit, and its answer is option number 3, that is return from investment. Question number 28. The income elasticity of demand is negative, then the good is inferior. Option number 4. Question number 29. Which is not the feature of perfect competitive market? There are some characteristics of perfect market, which are as: first is large number of buyers and sellers, second homogeneity of product, third free entry and exit of firm, fourth perfect knowledge of market, fifth is perfect mobility. And here option is large number of sellers, that is right. Product of all firms are homogeneous, that is also right. Perfect mobility of resources, that is also right. But here is few buyers, that is wrong. We discussed that there should be large number of buyers and sellers. Okay, then its answer is option number 4, that is few buyers. Question number 30. Ceteris paribus means that. Ceteris paribus, a Latin phrase meaning other things being equal or held constant, or with other things same. Then its answer is option number 1, that is other factors are held constant. Question number 31. NAFED was established in the year. NAFED is National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India. It was established on 2nd October 1958. It was established in 2nd October 1958 with the object to promote cooperative of agricultural produce to benefit the farmer. Your question is asked, it is established in the year 1958, 2nd October 1958. Answer is option number 2. Question number 32. The first Cooperative Society Act was passed in the year. The Cooperative Society Act was passed on 25th March 1904. Agriculture Credit Cooperative Society of Karnataka, Agriculture Credit Cooperative Society of Karnataka was the first credit society formed under first cooperative law of India. Question is asked, first Cooperative Society Act was passed in the year 1904, option number 1. Question number 33. Which of the following is irrational zone of production? And its answer is option number 4, that is first and third zone is the irrational zone of production. Question number 34. The elasticity of production is 0 when MP is 0 at point F and AP is greater than former, the output elasticity is 0. And its answer is option number 3. Here we discussed now that when MP is 0 at point F, okay, and AP greater than former, the output elasticity is 0. Question number 35. The point of least cost combination is, and its answer is option number 3. MRTS of input is equals to inverse price ratio of inputs. Question number 36. Which of the following is self-liquidating type of loan? And its answer is option number 1, that is crop loan. Question number 37. Which of the following is a mutant variety of mango? Rosica is the mutant variety of mango. The only mutant variety reported in mango is Rosica from Peru. It is a bud mutant. Okay, it is a bud mutant of Rosa deleca, which is local Peruvian cultivar. Question number 38. Sahara Prabhat is a variety of, and its answer is, it is a variety of peach. Sahara Prabhat is a variety of peach. It is crossed Sharbati and Sharbati crossed with Florida Sun, and its result into Saharanpur Prabhat is a variety of peach. Question number 39. Strawberry is propagated through. Strawberry is propagated through runners. Some of the other examples of runners are Bermuda grass, peppermint and spider grass. Question number 40. Pusa Pitambar variety of mango is from a cross between, and its answer is option number 4. Amrapali crossed with Lal Sundari result in Pusa Pitambar variety of mango. आज हमने BHU MSc AG 2019 के पेपर को डिस्कस किया। इस पार्ट 1 में हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 तक डिस्कस करा। पार्ट 2 में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 से क्वेश्चन नंबर 80 तक डिस्कस करेंगे। पार्ट 3 में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 81 से क्वेश्चन नंबर 120 तक डिस्कस करेंगे। अगर आप ये पेपर डाउनलोड करना चाहते हैं तो आप हमारी वेबसाइट tgagri.feebly.com पर जाकर आप इस पेपर को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। आपको हमारी वेबसाइट पर एग्रीकल्चर सब्जेक्ट का सिलेबस, सभी एग्रीकल्चर एग्जाम्स के प्रीवियस पेपर्स और पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक के हैंड रिटन नोट्स भी मिलेंगे। साथ ही आपको ICAR JRF, ARS, SRF एंड अदर एग्जाम्स का पैटर्न और उसका सिलेबस भी मिलेगा। हमारी वेबसाइट की लिंक आपको हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी मिलेगी। साथ ही में आप हमें इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक पेज पर भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं और टेलीग्राम चैनल पर आप हमें ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको कोई क्वेरी, सजेशंस या फीडबैक हो तो आप हमें हमारे सभी सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म पर शेयर कर सकते हैं। इफ़ यू लाइक दिस चैनल देन प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.